channel, and today I'm going to do unboxing of OnePlus Buds 3. So I got this at 4,400 rupees from Amazon, and we'll do unboxing of this. So if I look at it, wow, the feel is very premium. If you touch it, you can feel the metal. So the outside cover is of metal. It has a very good finish. Wow. So this is what you get, and let's look what else is inside the box. So inside the box you get this, and let's open this up. Okay, let's see what's inside. So what you get is a cable that's going to be used for charging, and then you get these additional buds if you want to make any changes. By default, this is what you get. Now if you look at it, wow, this feels so premium. Now let me just test them out, and I'll give you the feedback after 5 minutes. Just hold on. So guys, I'm back. So I tested these, and to tell you the quality of it, so I have Samsung Buds, and it is almost equivalent to that. And the great part is the noise cancellation is really amazing. If you put it on both the ears, you would not be able to hear anything from outside. And apart from that, the quality is really nice. It is very soothing to the ears. So this is like really good. If you want to buy it, you can buy it. So apart from this, in the past I also used Oppo 2 earbuds. So those were also really good. So one of the premium thing about good quality earbuds is if you use a good one, it will not pain in your ears, and this is definitely not the one. So if you want to buy it, you can go ahead and buy this product. So thanks everyone for watching. Do subscribe. Thank you.